Let's change the conversation model.
I'm dropping off my car.
Was everything okay?
Well, actually, the brakes are making a funny sound.
Really? Any other problems?
No, that's it.
Now let's change the conversation model again. Say as much as you can.
I'm dropping off my car.
Was everything okay?
Well, actually, the turn signals aren't working.
Oh, no. Any other problems?
Yes, the sunroof won't open.
You're kidding.
And the clutch is making a funny sound.
Oh, no.
And the trunk won't close.
That's awful. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Thank goodness.